How to buy USDT on Trust Wallet. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is open your Trust Wallet account and then select the buy button from the home screen. Now, if you're using the Trust Wallet mobile app, you can also search for USDT or USDT currency and then select it. And then choose the currency and enter the amount of USDT you want to purchase. And then select the third party provider and the payment method you'd like to use, like for example, your PayPal or your credit card or your Visa card, and then select the buy button and complete the remaining steps. So if you are using the Trust Wallet browser extension, you can also do this. You can choose your preferred currency and amount and then choose USDT and then select your preferred third-party provider and then complete the remaining steps as well. Now, if you don't want to buy USDT and just want to swap it, you can also select the swap button from the Trust Wallet home screen and just select and choose what you want to swap into for USDT. And that's how you can buy USDT on Trust Wallet.